Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important Java interview question. What is the serialization process? Serialization is a kind of mechanism that makes a class persistent by having its properties or fields and state information saved and restored to and from storage. So you have a state in your JVM. Say for example, you have an employee object you are creating and you are setting these two values, employee number and employee name. Outside the JVM, you can't even refer this. So whenever it moves out of the JVM, you should have the serialization process. That means in order to store your object state, these two are the states. Okay, so in order to store your states of an object outside the JVM in a file, in a database, or even remote server, you can send these object states. That's where serialization process comes into picture. How to make a class serializable? By implementing either serializable interface, or you can also have externalizable interface. As long as one class in a class instance inheritance hierarchy implements serializable, externalizable, that class serializable. So in hierarchy, inheritance hierarchy, please remember, in your inheritance hierarchy, one of the class implements serializable, then this class is serializable. How many methods are there in the serializable interface? There is no methods in the serializable interface. The serializable interface acts as a marker, just telling the object serialization tools that your class is serializable. It's for the compiler to know that this class is serializable. It's a marker interface. How many methods are there in the externalizable interface? There are two methods in the externalizable interface. These two methods are read external and write external. So I'm giving an example for externalizable. So this class is implementing externalizable, and this having two methods. So these two methods are very important. This is a must methods, otherwise compiler will give you an error. Okay, so add implemented method. So these two methods are compulsory whenever you implement that. What is the difference between serializable and externalizable? When you use serializable interface, your class is serialized automatically by default, but you can override write object, read object, two methods to control more complex object serialization process. When you use externalizable interface, you have a complete control over your class serialization process. So I'll just show you how exactly serialization happens. So I have created an object, okay, then I'm giving that object to the serialize method. So this is how you can serialize. So I'm writing to a file, then using object output stream I can serialize this object. Can you see this? Yeah, here can you see this? I'm writing this object to the serialization version file. Okay, so this is how serialization works. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.